radio's playing the buggers again as well. I saw the green light come on my radio when the doors were closing on my radio. So it called the platform where before the doors were completely closed. Filming on my iPhone because my camera decided to play up on the platforms. I'll show you what I mean. Once again, stay out of station limits. This has come up on my camera, so the SIM's bugged in my camera, so I can't film on the camera to get a new SIM card. It has to happen today.
Good evening, customers. Welcome aboard the 612 service from Southern Cross to Geelong. First up will be Tarni, followed by Whitmale, Lara, North Shore, North Geelong, before arriving and terminating at Geelong at approximately...
I think a lot is going to be disappointed. The 1631's not going to be Hates cars on Friday afternoons, because it looks like they've put N sets permanently on that service, but this one's the Hate set one.
Doors which will not open until the train comes to a complete stop at a platform. When stepping out of the train, please ensure that a platform is available before exiting. On behalf of everyone, I'd like to welcome you aboard tonight, and thank you for travelling with us. This is the 612 service from Southern Cross to Geelong.
We will find out if it is permanently on that service if we go on Friday, because the VLAN app is not correct, because the VLAN app said this service today was an N set, but it wasn't, because I'm actually on an 8 set service, and it is said instead of VLAN app 1812 Geelong was an N set service, and it's not. These are fully locked. You can't even push them back, as you can see. They're fully locked. Well, I'm not going to say it on video, but this is not the original Harris layout in here. It's got double windows on there, not singles like normally I have. Short heads up video while on the H sets. Service. It looks like the Haze has been changed from the 1630 run service that used to run all the time to the 1812 service, because they still used to be N-set cars, and it's been changed to Haze. It looks like, for my fans like Elijah and all that who like H-set carriage that used to run on the 1631 service, it looks like the Haze have been changed over from that service to the 1812 service, so it's now Haze sets. It looks like the 1631 Geelong short haul service is now N sets for sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I am going to Southern Cross with that service on Friday, so I'll find out in 2 days' time. But this is a short video showing the Haze cars now run on the 1812 Geelong service, as you can see. Tarni is the first stop for this train. One day it's always a proper where the nice shutdown. We're definitely going to come here for the goods. What? Yeah. thing I do want to see if the door interlock light comes on before the door's completely shut. Door trigger actually, I'm gonna hold it to the interlock light comes on. Yeah. I'm not moving.
Look at it.
No, I'm not moving cars. I might, but I'm not so sure though. Yeah, the door interlock light only comes on when the door's completely shut. If only when I was looking then, so the lights on the ceiling. Yeah, some things still exist in that livery, but not the actual company itself. Not completely empty, that car, still something in there. Yeah, they're best classes as well. Yeah. So these are actually opening the car. Not safe to walk through the gateways on their H-set carriages. They don't have any safeties except SSH26 did when it was in service. Yeah, it had the it had a thing like a Commons have. Safety walls put in. But the LED lights are playing the camera up until that for sure. Closing.
Oh, it's on that side.
It's an island platform.
Yeah.
You can roll the camera and you film me open the doors. And if you roll your camera, you film me open up the train doors. I'll come back over here.
Yep.
Right, departing Lara, now express to North Shore. Now, what is found out recently, the Geelong has kept a few one service H set on the Bacchus Marsh line, but a few N sets on the Bacchus Marsh line. Funny reason, I'm not sure why. Because of the shortage of velocities again, like they had a few years ago. That's why A66 was kept in service for. Cry, we stop in North Shore next. past Elder's Loop already, I'm pretty sure.
No, there's no more fire.
No, Elder's Loop.
That was Elder's Loop back then.
Yeah. New pedestrian signal at that crossing back there. I never was there before, but new pedestrian signal on here. Not a person don't get the pilot trains, but what it's about is to only to film the old trains while they're in service before they get taken off. And that's what we're doing. Yeah. Now watch it. What?
Every moment after these, you'll see something.
You're talking about the T's, aren't you? Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know about that. Yeah. The suspension's been. That sounds like damage. That was a bump in. That was definitely a bump in the track, or we run over something. I think we just run over something. The driver's plying the back's way too short.
North Shore Station is stop.
I think we just run over. I think we just run over something because it didn't sound right.
Yeah, it's so weird. It's not on the track.
The building, like some hut over there on the tracks.
Express.
Oh, those sleepers are new.
Probably got flowers near that crossing.
The sleepers are new.
Probably have flowers.
Over there, the new, the wee whites painted sleeping on the rails.
Broad gauge. That's where they're coming from.
Open the door. Oh, that's get the doors closing again. Can you move over here? I'm gonna get them.
With flowers at the crossing. Is that man?
Yeah, move over here.
I'm looking out the window. I can't see from my window.
Now. Sorry about the delay to miss the departure of Geelong because my camera side had it. Yeah, it's working. Leave your phone just in case it fouls again. Huh? Yes. I've got the old fountains. See the gateways. looks like the Hayes only run on this 1812 Geelong now because it looks like to me. But I don't know. Comes the wire class shunting locomotive to the H cars. It did show on the VIN line that there's supposed to be an N cell on this service, but it actually turned out to be a H car service. I'm pretty certain now, to call and by I think maybe the largest favourite service, the 1631, might be NSETs permanently now. More I think of it. And the 1812 is this one here, might be H cars permanently. I'm not too sure though. We'll find out that Friday. No, not tomorrow.
Going Geelong tomorrow. Remember?
No, I mean on Friday. They won't couple up, they'll just stop before the cars. That's when we got to North Shore, my phone went out of memory, so that's why I missed the North Geelong shot. Yeah, it goes all fuzzy when I put it on YouTube though. Sean. What's this, Mum? Couple of no, big couple of in a minute now, because N453 is just entered the yard, we should get the signal for the white to leave the platform. With SOH33 going on platform 2. So that'll be driver training. One of the locos looks like it's fouled on the Warrnambool line as N4. Here goes the Y, departing platform 3. No, it must have fouled the Warrnambool. Non-stop. Signal's been at the other end. Oh, the N471's going to move up to the plaque signal. Something's definitely fouled on the Warrnambool. I hope it wasn't the end because I'm playing catch to go home because I'm waiting for the 802 to go through from Warrnambool. That's got to wait here until the Ys move the H cars off the main, so that will be waiting while that gets off the main line. Well, as Y129 and SLH33 is off the main, the N471 behind me may get the signal 144.
We did it on videos. Filming this coming back.
This will be on the 7:30 tomorrow morning.
He's coming back to you.
No, I'll film them anyway. Just you guys are back on the camera files.
Into the yard.
Here goes the N class. signal's just gone to green over the bridge.
There goes N471.
Light engine moved to the yards. He's going much more faster than the velocity.